In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mail icon in Figma. Fast, 2025 guide. We'll build a clean envelope icon using just basic shapes, and I'll share a few practical tips along the way to keep it crisp and consistent. Start by setting up a new frame at a standard icon size. Common choices are 24 by 24 pixels or 32 by 32 pixels. Create a frame and make sure you're viewing at 100% so what you draw aligns nicely on the pixel grid. Keeping icons on standard sizes helps them render sharply across different screens and keeps your design system consistent. Next, draw the body of the envelope. Select the rectangle tool by pressing R and draw a square inside your frame. If you want a perfect square as you drag, hold the Shift key. In the right side properties panel, slightly round the corners with a small corner radius for a softer modern look. Just a few pixels is usually enough. This rectangle forms the main body, so keep it centered in the frame. Now create the envelope flap. Choose the pen tool by pressing P or use the vector tool if you prefer. Click once at the top left corner of the rectangle, again at the top right corner, and then place a point at the center along the top edge's lower side to form a triangle that sits within the top half of the rectangle. You're mimicking the fold of the envelope. When you're done placing points, hit S to finish the shape. Position the triangle precisely so it sits neatly inside the upper part of the rectangle. With both shapes selected, use the alignment options in the right sidebar to center everything within the frame. Now style the icon. You can give the rectangle a solid fill and a subtle stroke, or go for an outline style with consistent stroke weight across both shapes. If you're using fills, ensure the flap triangle contrasts enough to read clearly. A light drop shadow can add depth, but keep it minimal for small icon sizes. When you're happy with the look, select all layers of the icon and group them using Ctrl+G on Windows or Cmd+G on Mac. This keeps everything organized and easier to move or reuse. To export, right-click the group or the frame and choose Export. Pick the format that fits your needs. PNG for a transparent bitmap, JPG for flattened images on solid backgrounds, or SVG for a resolution-independent vector. If you're exporting for multiple screen densities, add 1x and 2x scales for crisp results. That's it. Your mail icon is ready, clean, and reusable in any design.